Okay, so you want to sound like YEAT. Let's go.
Yeah, I get the best bitch. I get the best bitch. Leave me alone. Yeah. Hundreds of bags that text my phone. I wanna be left alone. Leave me alone. Yeah. Hundreds of bad bitches texting my phone. I got a baddest one at home. Yeah. My phone on DD ball. Yeah. Can't reach the bitch, my only too cold. Yeah.
So we got NS1. We had that on 23.9, 24. Anywhere from 15 to 25 is the sweet spot for NS1. Just take around the floor noise and background noise, whatever's going on. Use that. It's very good. Then we got a mic mod. I'm using the TLM 103. Personally, the TLM 103, the Neumann U87, and the Sony 800G is the best, hands down, best mics. For the auto tune, we got on 0 retune speed. For the auto tune, we got 0 resp. For the auto tune, we got 0 retune. For the auto tune, we got 0 retune. For the auto tune, we got 0 retune speed, and we're in the key of A minor. That's it. Nothing special going on there. De-esser, control those S's. 2.5, and we are using 33.5 on the de-essing threshold. Auto compressor, same as usual. Didn't touch it. Same settings as usual. Vox, 2.4 on the compression and minus 2 dB on gain. For sibilance, just another de-esser. We're using minus 20.7, and that's it. You can use the look ahead if you want. Sometimes I like to leave that on because you get a stronger de-essing signal. Channel EQ, so we're doing a cut at 90, little boost in mids, little boost in the high end, and a little roll off at the end. CLA2A, great compressor. We have it on 40 on the gain, and just about 46 almost on the peak reduction. We have NLS channel. We're using the setting spike, give it a bit of coloration on the vocal. So we got an EQ, the Prook Tech. We have a boost we're boosting 5, and we have it at 10. So the frequency is 10, and we're boosting it to plus 5. SSL channel. This plugin, if you can't mix, this is what you need. Doubler. You need a doubler. To get YEAT sound, you have to have a doubler. You don't have to have it as strong as I have it on, but it's what gives you that strange YEAT sound that he gets. Let me show you what I mean. I've been living life fast. Now watch with the doubler. I've been living life fast. Yeah, I've been living life fast. All my bitches top class. My bad bitch got ass. So that's what it's like with no doubler. Now this was like with the doubler.
Yeah, I've been living life fast. All my bitches top class. My bad bitch got ass. Yeah.
For reverb, we have the stock Valhalla vintage verb. We just opened it up. We didn't touch it. We just busting it to whatever you like. Personal preference, for the sake of the video, mine is minus 24.9. So, and if you do all that, it should sound like this.
Yeah, I get the best bitch. I get the best bitch. Leave me alone. Yeah. Hundreds of bags that texting my phone. I wanna be left alone. Leave me alone. Yeah. Hundreds of bad bitches texting my phone. I got a baddest one at home. Yeah. My phone on.
That was how to sound like YEAT. If you found anything useful in this video, hit a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.